What's going on, guys? Paul here. Today we're going to the dirt track. The bike is all loaded up, ready to go. We've got fuel jugs, ramp, some of my gear inside. The boots are there, new boots, fresh. But yeah, I'm supposed to be at Tomahawk around 3 o'clock today. My garage is a freaking mess. I got stuff everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna be, what time is it? It's like 12 o'clock right now. We're gonna be heading out. I'm supposed to start riding at 3 o'clock, so we'll see what happens then. So stay tuned. We're on our way. It's gonna take about an hour and 25 minutes. We are low on fuel, so let's go get some fuel. It's pretty quiet out today. This is like this is actually my first time riding a dirt bike. Like 10 years ago, I had a YZ85 for like 3 weeks. I worked for Coleman Power Sports in Falls Church, and I had a customer who wanted to trade in a YZ85, so I actually bought that off the customer, and then I flipped it like a couple weeks later. But I rode that thing for like 5 minutes. I almost pooped myself. Yeah, tracks are closed because of the coronavirus. And you know, actually this weekend I was supposed to be at NC Bike getting my race license, and having my first actual race with Moto Gladiator with Evolve GT, but that was canceled. I'm super bummed about it. I wanted to get some seat time in because it's been like since August. Yeah, August of last year, so that's 2019 of August. No, it's like July. Oh my god. My bike stopped working, and then my other bike was like completely disassembled because I took parts from it to ride my main bike. So this is gonna be like my real first time riding in, oh god, what is it, like 8 months? 8 months. But I'm excited but nervous at the same time. Let's see how this goes. Oh shoot, I forgot to go to the gas station. The truck is like empty. It's not going anywhere. Boom. Put some 93. Alright, the jug is filled. I was gonna fill up the truck first, but I don't want to wait, and I want to get some Red Bulls. So we're gonna fill this up first. Ugh. Oh shit, I smell like gasoline. Alright. The truck's being filled up. I wonder if they'll let me come inside. Oh man, it still almost hit me. It's alright. Alright. Where are the Red Bull? Here. Coconut, because it's the best. Alright, if you're wondering how much it cost, oh shit, it's got a limit. Yeah, this is I don't think the truck's filled up. Kids, don't make bad choices in life like I did. We've got 499 miles. It's not bad. It looks almost full. Yes! We're finally on the highway. God! I wanted to show you guys this car. This is crazy. This is awesome. Look at this dude's ride. I thought it was a cop because I saw the mirrors. blue and pink wheels. What the hell? Look at this. Hey, that's sick. Yeah, we are here. Tomahawk.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Alright guys, so I just came, signed up, got my membership card, and then we're gonna be pitting up. If you're wondering how I'm here, Tomahawk has a thing because of the coronavirus. Tracks are supposed to be closed, but what they're doing is they're allowing up to 10 riders to be here and present at the track. And then, so they're doing two groups. They're doing like 11 to 3 and then 3 to 6. And then you come in, you ride, you pit yourself away from others, and then you ride. Fucking hell. This is so tiring. What the fuck? God, that's like the most difficult thing I've done in my entire life. I didn't get to turn it on in the beginning. I was doing a little small loopy lap. I'm sweating like a mother father, and my arms are like having arm pump like crazy right now. I didn't believe it when Sean told me that I was gonna be tired after 10 minutes. All you road race guys out there, if you've ever tried dirt, this is a whole new ball game. Are the fast guys over there? And I'm gonna go to the Pee Wee track back there. Get used to this thing. This is so crazy. Oh my god, that is something. You guys probably see that I'm going slow as fuck. Holy fuck. Oh. Oh. God damn it. That was crazy. Doesn't look like anything, but that was crazy. My legs are so tired right now. Oh. God damn. I did not expect to be jumping out of that thing. Whatever the hell that was. Whew. Oh man. You see the sweat? This is like 10 minutes of riding. Jesus. What time is it now? It's 4 o'clock. We got 2 hours left. Probably gonna go back out there, try to do 2 laps, go a little faster. I haven't hit any of the ruts. And I'm gonna try to carry a little bit more speed without busting my butt. Man, I don't know if you can tell from my face, it's probably red as heck. But it's fun, but it's scary at the same time. But I feel like this would be a good training for, for the R6 at the track. So hopefully we come back here more often. I'm supposed to come back here tomorrow. And Sean's gonna be here. And hopefully we have a good time, but I'm gonna go do 2 laps. I'll be back. feel like that session was better. I caught like 2 feet of air. What? This is getting to be fun. Man, I could totally get used to this. Oh man, 15 minutes. This is, if you need cardio, you need to do off-roading. This is crazy. I keep saying this. I probably said crazy like 15 times now. But man, the bike seemed to be okay. I'm starting to turn a little bit better. I'm still scared of going too fast into the turn, so I'll show you guys later what I'm talking about. There's just one spot, part of the track, where there's like a steep downhill. You probably can't even tell from the camera, but it's crazy up there, and that thing scares the crap out of me. I probably should be not braking and just riding the bike through, because it's not like there's a sharp turn at the end of it. But I'm gonna give that a shot, see how well I do. What else? I got to jump 2 times, very low, not you know, nothing tall, nothing high up in the air, probably like a foot or 2 feet off the ground. But I am getting used to the bike more, so let's see what happens for the rest of the day. Look at this country. It's beautiful. Man. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the track now. Man, I haven't eaten anything all day. stalled it again at that same spot. That was gnarly. It was fun though. I feel like I like that first section, like the first 2-3 turns. Not much rut. a lot easier to drive there. But then, you know, the turns are trying to stick my leg out more often, but it's not. I end up doing what I do on the sport bike. So let's see how I do it next time out. But I didn't eat anything for breakfast or lunch, which was a terrible idea because I'm starting to get cramps. We'll see what happens when we're out there. So I've drank 1, 2, 3, and on my 4th water bottle. I'm like sweating like crazy right now. All right, it's what time is it? It's 5:13. I'd probably do 1, maybe 2 more sessions, and then see how I feel. I still feel hungry as hell. I got the cramps, but I feel a little bit more rested. I drank like, I'm on my 5th bottle of water right now, so I'll see you out on the track. That was a good run. Oh man. I'm sure I still look slow as hell on the video, but I am definitely picking up more speed. Oh my god. That's the most fun I had all day. That's crazy. The last lap, I didn't stall at that one corner, which was amazing. Think about whether I should call it a day or go for another one. I'm gonna sit out and rest a little bit and then see if we go up again. All right, guys. So the last session was done. The battery died, but I don't know when it. I wish I knew when it stopped recording. I guess I'll see when I get home. But the last session, I felt like I was going at a pretty decent pace. Fortunately, and no lie, I swear, I haven't had any crashes today. Knock on wood. God. But tomorrow I'll be here with Sean. As you can see, the bike's loaded. I'll get home, probably hose it down on the truck, and I'll be right back here tomorrow again. But yeah, thanks for watching. You know, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment on the video, and we'll see you on the next video.